Skin pores you can count. Fabric weave you can almost feel. A cityscape so sharp the windows have reflections of their own. This isn't a 4K upscale. This is Kling 3.0, the first AI video model to support native 4K output, bringing AI video production into the cinema-grade era. Native 4K, one-click output. Cinema-grade, one click. That's the entire promise. Let me show you what that actually means. Head over to kling.ai/app. Link is in the description. Sign in with Google or your email and you'll land on the dashboard. On the left, text to video and image to video, the two modes we'll use. Top right shows your daily credits. Open the model drop-down and pick Kling 3.0. You're set. Let me show you what cinema grade looks like. Last month I delivered a brand campaign in 1080p. Ran it through Topaz to upscale, and the client came back saying the skin looked plastic and the logo was muddy. Had to reshoot the whole thing. That's the exact gap native 4K closes between AI-looking footage and footage you can actually deliver. Kling 3.0 is the first AI video model supporting native 4K output, bringing AI video production into the cinema-grade era. Native 4K one-click output. So what does cinema-grade actually mean? Three things, and they're all baked into the same generation. One real detail, not invented detail. Most AI tools give you 1080p and tell you to upscale. Upscaling is a guess the AI invents pixels that were never there, and you get soft edges, smudged text, plastic skin. Native 4K is trained to generate at 4K end-to-end. Every detail is real output. Pores on a face, fine facial hair, the actual weave on silk, linen, denim, wool. Logos and typography render clean. Water and glass refract like real physics. Wide cityscapes hold detail on windows and railings. Color and lighting that hold up. Color accuracy stays consistent shot to shot. No flickering, no jumping. Lighting transitions feel natural, like a real camera moving through real light. That's what makes it commercial approval ready, not just demo ready. 3 one-click. No Topaz pass, no After Effects upscale, no multi-software pipeline. You hit generate, you get a delivery-ready 4K file. That's the workflow change. Quick side-by-side same prompt at 720p, 1080p, and native 4K. Watch the skin, the fabric weave, the eyes. The jump from 1080p to 4K isn't subtle. It's the difference between AI video and cinematic footage you can actually ship. Native 4K is the headline. But cinema grade isn't just resolution, it's everything else that has to hold up at that resolution. Here's what Kling 3.0 does to make sure it does. First one, unified model. Text to video, image to video, reference to video, and video editing all in the same engine. Feed it a character or style and it stays consistent across shots. Add objects, remove them, swap backgrounds, same tool, no exporting, no re-importing. Second clips up to 15 seconds with multi-shot sequences in one generation. Establishing shot, mid-shot, close-up all consistent across cuts. That's storyboard level control without leaving the tool. Third, native audio in the same pass. Sync dialogue, sound effects, ambient music, no manual sync. And it's not English only. Kling 3.0 supports multiple languages and regional dialects, so one tool handles your global cuts. And it's not just photorealistic. Native 4K works for animation, anime, and stylized cinematic films too. TVCs, AI shorts, premium drama, animated pieces, same model, same cinema-grade output, all at 4K. Here's the part most tutorials skip. The best model in the world won't save a sloppy prompt. Native 4K rewards specificity. The more cinematography language you use, the closer you get to cinema grade. Prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, 3 rules. Name your lens, 85mm, anamorphic macro. Name your light direction, from camera left, rim light, backlit. Specify the camera move, dolly, orbit, push in. Kling reads all three and respects them. Cinema-grade output for solo creators is one thing. Cinema-grade output across a studio or agency is another. That's where Team Plan 2.0 comes in. Shared workspace so the whole team creates in one place. A centralized asset library. One-click sharing turns individual outputs into reusable team resources. Role-based permissions for owners, admins, and collaborators. And a native desktop app for Windows and Mac with smoother generation and local asset management. Instead of emailing files around, your team hands off work inside one space. If you're running brand campaigns at scale, this is where your pipeline tightens up, without losing the cinema-grade standard. So that's the whole story. Native 4K, one-click output, cinema-grade, one-click, Kling 3.0, plus the unified model, native multilingual audio, and multi-shot storyboarding. The first time AI video feels genuinely ready. If you're making AI films, brand work, animation, or premium short form, head to kling.ai/app. Links in the description. Drop a comment with what you want me to generate next. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.